Chime prepaid cards honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards are just for temporary use, but Chime offers banking-like features that make it a convenient, fee-free financial tool for everyday spending. Chime is a US-based fintech offering prepaid debit cards linked to mobile banking accounts. One standout feature is fee-free access to spending, saving, and direct deposit services, including early paycheck access. This can be particularly useful for those looking to avoid traditional bank fees or manage cash flow. Most people assume prepaid cards are limited. The surprising truth is Chime allows automatic savings, roundups on purchases, and alerts for spending, giving users tools to manage money responsibly. Its mobile app is user-friendly, making it easy to transfer funds, check balances, and control account activity. Another advantage is security. Chime cards are FDIC insured, and the app offers instant transaction notifications, spending controls, and the ability to lock your card if it's lost or stolen. This reduces risk and enhances financial control. However, there are some considerations. Chime's prepaid cards cannot be used internationally in all cases, and some features, like ATM access, may require using in-network machines to avoid fees. Customer support is primarily digital, which may be limiting for users who prefer in-person banking. In conclusion, Chime prepaid cards are ideal for individuals seeking a low-fee, mobile-first financial solution with budgeting tools and early access to funds. Its combination of convenience, security, and financial control makes it a strong alternative to traditional banking for many users. Subscribe for more honest prepaid card and fintech reviews before choosing your next banking tool.